You may earn anywhere between $200 and $1,000 each month just by reading web articles. There are several options for people to make a substantial amount of money just by reading and putting in very little effort on their part. Today, we'll take a look at a few of these many opportunities and attempt to demonstrate how to generate money in a few simple steps. This is something that a significant number of people do. Unfortunately, since they do not perform effectively, they are not well rewarded or even reimbursed at all. However, after watching this video, you will be able to observe the errors that they made as well as how simple it is to generate money just by reading the material. The platform that we're about to present to you has been designed to make earning money as simple as possible for everyone. It is possible to earn between $150 and $1,500 per hour just by reading and doing a few simple tasks, as seen in the video. The most remarkable feature of this platform is that it is available to anybody who wants to use it. Our service offers the opportunity for first-time users with a love for reading to make money on their very first day of usage. Consider the possibility of earning a substantial sum of money for doing what you like doing in your original language and in your home country. Following the viewing of this video, even if you do not have any prior knowledge, technical aptitude, or certification, you will be able to generate income. There are a large number of people out there that need a variety of services. Some do so because they lack the necessary skills to complete these tasks on their own, while others do so simply because they do not have the time. Therefore, the platform I will demonstrate in this episode is an excellent place to interact with others, make money, and provide these services to them while also getting reimbursed for your efforts. Many times, the problem is not knowing where to find these people, but rather understanding their responsibilities and selecting which ones you are capable of doing. Between the client and the job seeker, the gap and space that existed in the corporate world have been crossed by the platform that we are about to give you. To begin, go to voices.com, where you'll notice that they've been highlighted by firms like Microsoft, Shopify, Dell, Hulu, Cisco, the Discovery Channel, the History Channel, and many more. To learn more, go to the website. The existence of such corporate behemoths in their respective industries speaks volumes about the quality of the brand that they represent, as do their financial results. The fact that there are a large number of legitimate and trustworthy firms that will pay people on an ongoing basis for services provided is something you should take note of. They came up with a reasonable solution. Surprisingly, these payments are made in the same manner in which we conduct our regular operations. Alternatively, they may pay by check or direct credit to their bank accounts, both of which are simple and secure payment options that are accessible in any country across the globe. PayPal is the most commonly used method of payment. As a consequence of the large number of companies with whom you may collaborate on Voices.com, you will have access to a diverse choice of job possibilities that can be tailored to your specific interests. What this platform is all about, voiceover, audio production, game scripts, translation, and everything else is clearly shown in the title bar. You will also see a client and talent option after you have arrived at your destination. When you click on the client emblem, you are confirming that you want to use the site to recruit new employees. However, this is not what you want to achieve, and therefore, you will choose the talent sign instead of the ability symbol. This demonstrates that you are actively seeking work opportunities that will allow you to earn money. The steps to join up: get approved and validated, find jobs that pay fast and effortlessly, apply for those tasks, and get paid in just a few clicks will all be shown to you in this video. The sign up button is found in the top right-hand corner of your computer's display screen. When you click on it, you will be offered the option of entering as either the talent or the client, and we have already chosen that we will enter as the talent in this instance. As a result, we'll go with that choice. Upon bringing up that window, you'll be asked to provide your name, a valid email address, and a strong password in order to protect your account. In order to proceed, you must first accept the terms of service selection and then submit your request. Joining up will also be possible using your Google email account, which is a convenient one-click alternative. When you're done, your dashboard will display a list of all the positions that are currently available. Tasks such as e-learning, explainer videos, audiobooks, cartoons, digital marketing, and other activities will be made accessible to participants. Now I'll show you a job opportunity that you can apply for and get paid for doing. The audiobooks are the most straightforward and often seen piece of work on the site, followed by explainer videos and finally video games in that order. But let us take the audiobook as an example. If you pick that option, the audiobook choice will take you to a website where you will see people from all over the world working on a variety of projects at the same time on voices.com. The language option may be located on the left-hand side of your screen, and from there you can examine and pick from a variety of different language options. Fortunately, there are languages spoken all over the world, and you may choose to work in any of those languages in any part of the world while still earning a living. Don't you agree that this is the ultimate in working in a comfortable environment? Voices.com is considering everyone's needs and wants to hire everyone who is ready to work on their platform, which is why they provide a variety of language options on their website. Start reading any of the scripts that they provide for free and start earning money depending on the length of time you spend on their site as soon as you do. Because an hour-long job may pay up to $1,000, you may want to look for a task that lasts 45 minutes or longer. Consider what you could do with the money you've earned. This is how things are currently set up. They will provide you with the scripts and templates that you will need. All you have to do is read them aloud and transcribe what you hear. Many people will be thinking about microphones and how to set up software to do this operation, but the beauty of Voices.com is that it takes care of everything for you. You have the option of recording and playing back your video on this platform using your smartphone camera. To do this activity, all you need is a pair of regular earphones with a competent microphone. Isn't it straightforward? These scripts will provide you with information on the customer, including his or her name, age, gender, and some of the work duties that you will be required to do while on the job. This assists you in completing your assignment and delivering it in accordance with the set standards. The best part about this platform is that it is completely free to use and can be downloaded from the Google Play Store for Android users and the Apple App Store for iOS users. Voices.com has already helped over 42,000 companies, and while on the site, you may observe, study, read, improve your abilities, and, most importantly, earn a respectable living by doing voiceover work. New job posts are added to the site on a daily basis, and the site is updated every day. This suggests that there is new employment accessible every day that you check in, providing you with a new chance to broaden your horizons while simultaneously strengthening your bank account balance. It is possible to get broadcast quality audio files in as little as 1 day. Simply downloading your files from their secure site is all that you need to do as a client to be finished. Thus, a customer who hires you for a project may have it delivered to them via the website, which is a secure location where they can pick up their finished work. It's really simple. Additionally, you may choose to spend some time examining the many different options available on the site in order to determine how and where your interests fit in. It is possible to read all of the great stories that everyone who uses Voices.com shares in the section of the site where you can read all of the customer and talent success stories as well as comments on those stories. This is a fantastic spot to get things started. When you are reading and studying, they teach you every means of generating money so that you may start earning money while reading and learning. It also comes with all of the tools you'll need to carry out all of these tasks successfully. They provide you with the client base, the videos, the scripts, and all of the necessary tools and templates to ensure that you finish any project successfully. It is a terrific network that allows you to connect with over 2 million freelance voice-over artists from 160 countries across the world, making it a truly global network. It has been the home of numerous enterprises and teachers who have come to look for work and hire people who are willing to labor for little or no pay at all.